In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include the latest posts on your WordPress website. Keeping your site updated with your most recent content is an excellent way to engage your audience, improve your site's usability, and encourage repeat visitors. Whether you're running a blog, a news site, or just want to keep your homepage dynamic, adding a latest posts feature is a simple yet powerful tool. And the best part, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can implement this feature effortlessly, no matter your experience level. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a link in the description to create your own account and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the main page, look for the Login button, which you'll find in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it to access the sign-in page. You'll need to log in to manage your WordPress site, so this step is essential. Now, if you've already linked your Google account to WordPress, you can streamline the process by selecting Continue with Google. This option is not only faster, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. If you'd rather log in manually, simply enter your WordPress username and password. Both methods work fine, so choose whichever one suits you best. Once you've either selected your Google account or completed the manual login, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, take a moment to locate the Quick Links section. It's usually on the right-hand side of the screen. From there, click on the Edit Site option. This will bring you to the site editor where all the magic happens. This is where you can make changes, add new features, and customize your site's appearance. Next, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an Add button. Click on it. This is your go-to tool for inserting new elements into your site. After clicking, a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type the keyword latest. This will help you quickly find the feature we're looking for without having to scroll through a long list of options. From the search results, look for the latest posts block. Once you see it, click on it to select it. This block is specifically designed to display your most recent posts in the order they were published. It's a fantastic way to keep your site fresh and engaging for your visitors, as they'll always see your newest updates right away. After selecting the latest post block, you'll need to add it to your page. Simply click to insert it into your chosen spot on the page. Once it's been added, take a moment to verify that it's displaying the correct content. You want to make sure it's featuring your most recent posts and that everything looks the way you want it to. This quick check ensures your visitors will see the updates you want them to see. And finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, save or publish your changes. This step is crucial because it finalizes the addition of the latest post feature and updates your live site. Without saving, your hard work won't be visible to your audience, so don't skip this part. And that's how you add a latest post block to your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've ensured that your visitors will always see your newest content, which keeps your site dynamic and engaging. If you have any questions or tips about using WordPress, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.